Introduction to HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. It provides the structure of a web page. Basic HTML tags. Doc type HTML defines the document type. HTML, root element of an HTML page. Head contains meta information about the document. Body contains the content of the HTML document. H1 to H6 headings. P. Paragraph. A. Hyperlink. Image, UL, OL, li, lists. Div, container, span inline container. In byline breakdown, HTML. This is the root element of an HTML document. It wraps the entry content. Head contains metadata about the HTML document not displayed on the web page. Title document sets the title of the web page visibly in the browser tab. Body. This is where the visible content of the web page goes. Headings H1 to H6. These text different HTML headings. They are used to create titles and subtitles in decrease size and importance. H1, the largest and most important headings, usually used for main titles. Subheading under H2, H1. H3 to H6, H1 is smaller and less important than the previous. Note: you should only use one H1 per page for SEO and accessibility best practices. HTML head, title, document title, head, body. H1, 1 text. H3, 3 text. P, U, paragraph. U, paragraph. BR, break, break, um, I text, I, I, HR, HR, HTML head title document, head, body, UL, li coffee, li tea, li milk, UL oil, coffee, tea, milk. Line by line breakdown, HTML head and title, same as before. This define the structure and the title of the web page. Body contains the visible content. Unordered list, UL. The UL tag defines an unordered bullet list. Result coffee, tea, milk. Ordered list, oil. The oil tag defines an ordered numbered list. The li items are automatically numbered. Result coffee, tea, milk. Coffee, tea, milk. HTML head, title, document title, head, body. Href, HTML, HTTPS, media IUS, media, href, media IUS A. The anchor tag is used to create a clickable hyperlink. Href. The href attribute specifies the URL that the link will point to. What the cell links do. Href HTTPS media I.us media. This creates a link labeled media. When clicked, it takes the users to https media.us. Href https media.us I. It also points to the same URL. Results in browser. When you open this in a browser, you will see media I. Both are blue underline clickable links. When clicked, both take you to media.us website. Hyperlink. Doc type HTML head title my first page. Welcome to web development. H1 para P. This is paragraph. https example.com. Visit example. li HTML CSS JavaScript. Helps the browser understand how to render web page. The root elements that wraps the entire HTML document contains metadata and settings for the page like an title and character encoding. Inside, set the title of the page shown in the browser tab. Everything inside the tag is visible content on the web page instance. Welcome to web development. Welcome to web development. A main heading biggest size used for titles. This is a paragraph of text used for regular content. This is paragraph, visit example, a hyperlink that says visit example and links to https example.com. An unordered list bullet points in the HTML listen item CSS JavaScript. HTML CSS JavaScript.